Hi everyone, this is Diane, admin of Mountain High Mailer. Today we're going to go over how to send your ads within the system. So first you're just going to want to log in, use the login details you signed up for when you joined Mountain High Mailer. You're going to have to go through a few offers, and then the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this button that says Mailer and click on Send Mailing. Here's where you're going to put your subject line, your body. What do you want to tell people about your offer? Put this right here. And next, put your link. You either got a tracking link or your main link, whatever you want to put in here. And then how many credits you have in your account. Now, you can send to the entire database. Or if you're a free member, I believe you have to send, you don't get to send to as many. If you are an upgraded member, you can send to the entire database. So for me, I will send to the entire database. I'll fill this all out, put the credits number in here. It shows it right here. You can use up to 723 credits. And then I will also click on send to my downline referrals because I have referrals that are not counted within this number right here. Now, if you don't have any referrals, this number should be different, okay? So I'll click on both of them and then I'll click send, and then it goes off into everyone's email address they signed up for within Gmail. Okay, so that is how you send your ad. Very easy. So what if you don't have any credits? You can go to unclaimed credits right here and click on ads, or you can go to your Gmail account and click on the ads there. That way you can also read their ads. Here is just the subject line. So you'll just click on them to earn your credits. Very simple. All you got to do is match the icons. This will give you your credits. Your credits will depend on your membership, on how many credits you get. Okay? So that's all you do for that. Okay, once you have sent a few messages, they're actually going to be under the sent message box, and you want to kind of look over that and see how you're doing, how many clicks you're getting, what's your CTR, and then you can also go from here, you can also send again if you like. That makes it really simple, but I will advise you to change up your subject line quite often, because if people see the same subject line every time you mail, they may just skim over your ad. You got to make it enticing, make it of some sort of value that's going to help people, and maybe they'll click on it. Okay, so that's what you can do. You can also use this section when you resend, when you send for the next day. Depending on your membership will depend on how often you get to mail, how often you get to use the mailer. So if you come in here and go to send a mailing, it might say, well, you cannot mail today. You have to wait so many hours. So kind of keep record of that and keep track of when you can mail again, so you can come back in here and mail again. So again, the unclaimed sends is a really easy way to earn your credits, and just kind of pay attention and see what people are advertising. Check out their subject lines and just kind of see what attracts you to their ad. So you're going to want to click on ads occasionally, be active within the mailer. This helps all members continue to come back and mail their ads and use the mailer. All right, so I hope this has helped. This is how you use the mailer. If you got any questions, you can always contact me via support. Thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later.